Good morning, everyone. Today I am and have at the same time. I am going to do another photos in hand, and I still have two of the other kits left, but I got these ready, so I thought I'm gonna go ahead and do these because maybe I'll skip a couple of those and go into these first, because I think I have two baby ones and I didn't want to do everything baby right in a row. Okay. And not that I could ever be babied out, but you know. Anyhow, I have these pictures of Aiden, and I think he was probably about 2. And this was actually, I think I just kept snapping pictures, but he would not hold still. So, and he's got staticky hair from the balloons, but he just had a hold of all the balloons, and he's like just spinning around, and it was so funny even just trying to get a picture of his head without balloons. So I'm gonna scrapbook that, and I'm using Echo Park Toy Box, and I think I'll use this. I put in another piece of red and blue just in case I decided that I didn't need a whole one, because I haven't decided what I'm doing exactly. I'm going to use these photos, and then I mean these papers, and then I also have this paper from K & Company, and it's called I don't have a call all day, and then as soon as I start this, it's like I get a call. Okay, I don't know what the name of this is, and I don't know, but it's by K & Company. It's a masculine theme, and I think I might use this paper. I mean, it's like I like these together, so this is what I'm thinking, but I brought these two just in case. You know, if I didn't use a whole piece, I might as well use the scraps. And then I also have the die cuts and the stickers and the chipboard. And I think I had gotten all these on or at Tuesday morning. So that's the first one. Oh, and somebody wanted to know how I save these. And when I make kits, I do put them in these giant plastic bags, and let's see, I'm pretty sure they're like 13. Yeah, it's like 13 by like 15, and I got them off Amazon, so it's 13 by 15. And that works really good. Oh, I didn't want to put that there. I wanted to put this here. Okay, so I am just going to put these in there. And then I have this big basket that I'll try to remember to insert a photo at the end. And it was baskets that I had actually bought for my business, but since I got a new desk, I moved the things that I kept in there into drawers in the desk. Okay, and then I have a new grandbaby, and this is my son and my daughter-in-law. He's my bonus son, and I am using Mintay's little one, and so I've got the 6x8, all these numbers going through my head, and I've got the embellishments and this pink piece of paper that is just a scrap, and it's textured pink. I thought I might use that, but I just thought, I love this picture. It's like you don't see it's like you just see like partial faces here, but I just thought it was such a cute picture, and that was the first picture that we got of, her name is Foster Lane, and I'm using this paper from Little One. This is the back. I think I've already used this for a layout, but I love this on here for her first picture. So I'm going to use that. And so I've got the embellishments, and I can use maybe something out of here to mat it with. So I'm just gonna put them all to the side and bag them up later. But I just wanted to show you what I did with them since I had somebody ask. And then this one here. Now I've got too many plastic bags. Okay, and this is me and my mother, and she's since passed. I have these two pictures, and I think if they're not both the same picture, we sure didn't move much for the second picture. But they took these of us at my church, and we had a Mother's Day party there. And the picture is from 2014. So, almost 10 years ago. Oh, and I've got the embellishments, or the cut aparts actually, or fussy cut pieces. And I'm gonna use this paper, and I've been wanting to use this, and I hadn't found a way to use it. But I thought, Mom loved to flea market, she loved antiques, and so I thought this will be, I like the old door frame, and it's one of those doors that you open up the top, and I thought, oh, she would like that. This is the other side, but I'm going to use this side. And so that's another one, and I think, what did I decide? Oh, I'm using the larger picture. Okay. So that is number 3, right? I think so. Okay, and then I have, this is the oldest granddaughter, and I pulled this picture out so many times to scrapbook it, and I just haven't done it yet. And so I thought this week is going to be the week. And it's a picture of her, and I think these are her dolls. She brought her Winnie the Pooh and Violet, and Winnie the Pooh is like her favorite. She just really didn't go anywhere without him, and as far as I know, she's probably still got him. But it was so funny because when she would come, she would have all her stuffed animals and her dolls, whatever she brought, and then whatever I had here, and she would just line them up. And so they're watching a show, and so I'm going to be using, I've got all the fussy cut pieces that I've already cut out, and then I have, or punched out, because I know this sheet is a punch out, so I'm bringing this in, the stickers, and this has letters too, so I like that. And then I have this floral, and this has this pattern on the back, but I'm thinking I'm using this. I brought this just in case I wanted to cut something off here. And my thoughts are that I might use the frame of this, and then this paper here. And I don't like this at all. I mean, it's too much the same. I don't like repetitious patterns like that. So this would be what I would use. And so that for this little girl who's got all her friends with her. And I actually have a title already in mind for this one, which doesn't happen often, because you know, sometimes I just come and I got the layout and no title. Okay, and then so is that's 3 or 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got 4. So I will have actually 6, because I have my 2 oldest granddaughters here, but I'm gonna do both them with this 49 in Market. Oh, I didn't say what this one was. This is this one here is Graphic 45 Once Upon a Springtime. Oh, I never told you what anything was. Oh, I did tell. Okay, and the one with me and my mom, it's called Better Times, and it's by Mintay. And this is graphic 45. So I guess I did the first two, but just not that one. So this is 49 to Market. It's Rouge, and I'm going to do a 2-page for Tegan. This is Tegan. So that's what I'm doing for her. So it's going to take 2 pages for that because these are 5x7s and I'm going to keep them that way. And then for Brenna, I'm going to use a single page because I've done this one. I just don't think it's the best one of her. And maybe I would just skip it all together if I had more of Tegan. But it's like I don't have as many pictures of Tegan, so I really want to do it. So I'm going to do it on her page too and give Tegan the bigger photo. And then I'll have these ones of Brenna. And this was where Brenna had cut her own hair. And so I'm thinking, let's see, I think I'm gonna do Brenna on here. Oops. And then I've got a whole thing of, I had bought the, whatever the kit is called. Okay, I bought the laser cut elements, and I also bought the thing that's called, oh, is it on here someplace? And then I bought the collection kit and also the embellishment kit. So, so with those I'll be able to, come up with something. So I think I want to use this big floral for Brenna. So I mean, it's a beautiful paper. But I'm thinking I'll put that over it. And then for Tegan's, since I'm going to do 2 pages, I'm going to use one that's already very decorative, and then this one that's a little simpler. And so I haven't decided how I'll arrange them yet, but I'm thinking these 2 over here, and then these 2 over here someplace. I think that's what I was thinking I would do. So they'll go on that. So I'll have, actually, this will be like 2 kits because I will definitely do this by itself. And then I've got all the, major embellishments with this because I have all these that I've already punched out. Does this say the name of that one thing on here? So laser cut elements, but then this other thing is like these elements that are like it's like they show you designs to do with them, but I just figured I would just do whatever I wanted to because that's how I am. So that's 2 more kits, but I'm just putting all this together. But it'll end up being 3 pages. And so, yeah, another photos in hand. And so I've got 49 in Market. I've got graphic 45, Once Upon a Springtime. I've got Mintay, Better Times. Mintay, Little One. And then Echo Park, well, I guess it would have been Carta Bella to begin with, and it's Toy Box by Stephen Duncan. So 1, 2, I keep wondering how many I actually have. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I actually have 6 layouts here. And one will be a double page, right? Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.